smells so good.
Let's add now the...
Oh!
Take a photo. Yeah.
Also, I've known your YouTube channel ever since you came here. Whoa. They can't, like in these... Holiday.
Adi. We'll be having a Earth Sun cooking show. What are we making, Adi? Sugar cookies.
Yeah.
I think we will make a sugar cookies. Oh, this is the granulated sugar.
That's the...
Flour.
Flour, yeah.
Cooking oil, powdered sugar, granulated there, butter, cooking oil, 2 eggs, salt, cream of tartar.
I don't know where she gets that.
It's like 1 cup.
Should I just use what's left in here?
No, let's just use all of it.
Yeah, because that's pretty much...
1 stick is equivalent of...
Yeah, two of these is 1 cup.
Oh, okay.
Good. Well, it doesn't say melted. I'll just put it in there.
Do you think, but if they're moving, this one is to do like this. But they
okay. It spins, so it's gonna go like all around.
Yeah. Well,
I think you
I
turn
don't
it
know.
on over on the side.
Let's try number. Then you will test off. Let's try it. Oh yeah, it's working.
Yeah, just now we transfer it.
Yeah,
You
let's
might-
transfer. Oh, those spatula. I just only use this. I saw your grandma making and using this one, and that I remember. Okay, try
want one?
that. Yeah. Now we figure it out.
Do we slowly add in the other ingredients?
Yeah, I think. So stop it first. Eggs too.
I trust you with eggs more than me.
Oil.
1 cup oil. Do this. Did you find the pumpkin?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one looks like pumpkin does.
Soda. We haven't put the soda, right? Have you put the soda already? Not yet.
No, not yet. Let's see, I took this.
Flour.
Whoa. So yeah.
Your grandma will make up. Oh my god! Ito. Yeah. Oops. I hope it.
Try to get all this. How do you do it?
Just. It's fine. 5 seconds rule.
That's for the floor.
Okay, you can do it, Adi.
I got it stuck.
Yeah, almost.
It looks so dry and crusty. It looks like breadcrumbs.
Well, because we need to mix well now.
I don't know. Doesn't it stay in place? Okay, is that good? We should spray the paper.
Yeah, on the paper.
There, is that good?
Okay, we need to remove this stuff first so that we have space to chop with a teaspoon or roll in balls.
Oh, we need a teaspoon now.
Yeah.
Do you think we should
Press down with a flour, glass, or fork all with a fork.
Do you think we should probably do dishes while we're gone?
Decorate with sugar as you like. Bake. Oh, we need to put the sugar first. Decorate with sugar or as you like. Bake at 375.
Oh, don't you? Wait, so
After you
after you
like the
after you make the balls, you just sprinkle sugar on it.
Yeah.
It says teaspoon. You want teaspoon
and dip in a sugar. Oh, maybe this is the one like we did last time.
So you
after
take out,
you roll
take out a teaspoon, you roll it into a ball,
and roll in a sugar. Wait, I will get a sugar first. Okay, a cup of sugar.
Oh, that's what you do.
Yeah, you roll it. I think we
Yeah, I remember making these now. Yeah, you roll them.
I think we what do you call it? Too much. They become soft.
It says 1 teaspoon.
I like this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
This. Yeah, I think we what do you call that? What is called it? We processor?
I don't know. Kitchen. That's the very
Sugar cookies. Addie making sugar cookies. Just wondering if all baking cookies.
Doesn't hurt though.
Look at these women baking away.
Oh, that's a lot.
Hey, no judge. We don't judge in this house. It's called creative art. Oh my goodness. Wait, what if? Wait. It's beautiful.
Yeah, you hold it. I'll take it with me.
Cover me.
I love that song.
What if I do braids?
I know how to braid you.
You can braid my hair?
Yeah.
Oh,
Ready?
yeah, I think we should go maybe 11 minutes.
11 minutes, yeah. Another minute.
Addie, we shut it?
I'll put the other one.
Oven? Oh wait! What is your issue? Do they look done?
Poke one.
No, you don't poke them.
I think they are.
You know?
More.
Shoot, Addie, open the oven for me quick.
Maybe it's depend on the tray.
Can I show them my nails that I did?
Yes, I
Yes.
think it was the tray.
So, Hyunjin inspired nails.
Eggs. You have the red, the
Christmas
green.
tree cookie that looks not like a Christmas tree.
Toot, toot. I can tie
The shortest I've ever gone was like right down here, which is like, yeah.
But if you're we have a house what do you call that?
Check the cookies or like what time is it for the cookies right now?
Home service parlor.
She could braid Grandpa's hair.
If she can braid Grandpa's hair, I'll give her
Yeah.
$100.
Yeah, what's
It's a
left?
hard work.
She'll braid what's left of it.
That will be a hard work to braid. Like
Yeah, I don't think you'd be able to do that.
I've watched a lot of the videos.
it's like they cover up now.
But yeah, they're stubborn. They like to stay. What the?
Yeah.
I want to listen
They're
to
not
Stray
too bad.
Kids right now. Shuffle again. Oh, we already listened to this one.
Our homemade sugar cookies.